Hello, today is Friday, October 28th, 2022. It's the almost last day of the month. Our company will wrap up this year's sales effort campaign, and starting November, they will prepare for the next year's sales strategy. So the salesmen will have very easy time starting Tuesday. But as a product management manager and product developer, I need to go visit customers and ask them about the oxygen generator needs. So let's take a look into what this company is doing. Seems to be a Japanese company, maybe Sumitomo, I don't know. Find out what the PSA oxygen generator is all about. I'm trying to read this article to practice English while trying to pick up some knowledge about the this and that. So it's a purely academic effort. Here we go. PSA oxygen generator. 주우정화 주식회사. That's Chinese name, spoken in Korean. Okay. 主正华主食会社. That's a Chinese name. Okay, here we go. By the way, I'm learning Chinese, although at a very slow speed. PSA oxygen generator. Sumitomo Seika offers highly reliable PSA oxygen generators based on our extensive knowledge and technical capabilities to create the high-quality products that only a chemical manufacturer can, which we have cultivated in the manufacturing of various chemical and synthetic products. So their name is Sumitomo Seika. Okay. Sumitomo Seika. I wonder if they are part of the Sumitomo group. PSA oxygen generators provide a stable supply of oxygen at a lower cost than liquid oxygen. So liquid oxygen requires a lot of energy, more money, I guess. To compress air into liquid form takes a lot of energy. Sumitomo Seika strengths. 1. Solid track record. Sumitomo Seika strengths. 2. Extensive lineup. Sumitomo Seika strengths. 3. Rock solid quality and reliability. Sumitomo Seika strengths. 4. Reliable support. What is a PSA oxygen generator? Pressure swing absorption. Pressure swing absorption. Okay, PSA. Pressure swing absorption. Oxygen generators are the equipment that produce oxygen at 90% to 93% purity using absorbents to remove nitrogen gas from the air. Absorbents. The process is also known as pressure vacuum swing absorption, PVSA, vacuum pressure swing absorption, VPSA, and vacuum swing absorption, VSA, taking advantage of the fact that the absorption quantity of the absorbent, synthetic zeolite, under pressure is greater than nitrogen than oxygen. These generators remove nitrogen in the air through absorption under pressure to efficiently produce high purity oxygen. That's interesting. Okay. Because they can provide a stable supply of oxygen at a lower cost than liquid oxygen, they have been adopted at facilities that use large amounts of oxygen. Air inlet filter, air blower, absorber B, A and B, balance tank, vacuum pump, exhaust silencer to air. So these guys, this vacuum pump and exhaust silencer and this pipe expels nitrogen from these tanks to the air. Okay. And balance tank, I wonder what the balance tank is for. Maybe storing a liquid form of oxygen, but no, because there's no compressor there, so it's just tank, balance tank. I don't know what the balance is, except that balance is the some kind of weight floating form on the sea or on the ship that balances the swing or yaw or pitching of the ship. Oxygen booster compressor option. Here's a booster. Booster is needed, a small booster compressor to send the oxygen gas through the small pipe, like a nose cannula pipe. So that's how it works. So here's a absorber. Absorbent is there, a synthetic zeolite. Generator illustration. Valve unit, silencer, vacuum power, compressor, air blower, compressor, vacuum pump, silencer, valve unit, observer, balance tank, height, length, width, air blower, compressor, vacuum pump, silencer, valve tank. Side area, 2 stories, length, width, height, production volume, 500 meters squared per hour. That's a lot, 2,500 nm squared, cubed per hour. That's a cubic meter. We will look into the installation area on a case-by-case basis based on generator specifications and scope of work. Scope of work, that's another good term. Generator specifications and scope of work. Sumitomo Seika strengths 1. Solid track record. More than 100 projects completed outside of Japan, primarily in Taiwan and Southeast Asia. Taiwan really loves Japan, even though Japan occupied the country for, I guess, more than 40 years. Korea was also occupied by Japan, and China was, the majority of China was under the occupation of Japan too. So we Koreans and Chinese still have some remorse against Japan, but Taiwan loves Japan really a lot. They are just followers, faithful followers. So probably Japanese companies have easy way into Taiwanese market, which is good. Sumitomo Seika products have been installed not only in Japan, but in South Korea, that's my country, Taiwan, Europe, Southeast Asia, Russia, and other areas around the world. That's good business, Sumitomo Seika. Congratulations. Our local partners who are familiar with the circumstances in each region provide the support for installation. Number of overseas deliveries and destinations cumulative. South Korea, that's a lot. Taiwan, Europe, Southeast Asia, and others. India, Russia, etc. Their business is exploding. From compact to large scale, our extensive track record includes various applications. We have a track record of deliveries to customers using our generators in various applications, including electric furnaces, non-ferrous metal smelting, glass melting, and melting furnaces. For example, up to now, we've had customers switch to Sumitomo Seika generators from others they had been using, and other customers who had been using liquid oxygen switched over to our PSA generators for their cost performance. We have also had customers who had been using air for oxidation and combustion install our PSA generators and see improved production efficiency by using oxygen-enriched air. Not only do we deliver directly to electric furnace and non-ferrous metal smelting users, but we can also deliver through our local partners, such as gas suppliers that supply oxygen gas, companies that carry various machinery and equipment, and engineering companies in charge of plant construction. Industries served electric furnaces, non-ferrous metal smelting, glass melting, waste and sludge melting, pulp bleaching, wastewater treatment, oxidation combustion, ozone generation, oil refining, electronic components, and others. Usually we say oil refineries, but oil refining, I don't know, sounds a little bit Japanese. Sumitomo Seika strengths 2. Extensive lineup. Customized design according to production volume, oxygen concentration, and pressure. Sumitomo Seika can design small, medium, and large-scale generators according to the required oxygen production volume and other such requirements. We will custom design and fabricate a generator according to your desired oxygen amount, purity, and pressure, as well as the method of generation and location of installation. Our energy-saving designs offer industry-leading energy, electric power efficiency, number of deliveries by production volume. Our product lineup includes a wide variety of generators that produce gases other than oxygen and refining equipment. Sumitomo Seika can address all kinds of concerns based on our wealth of knowledge and expertise that comes from having worked on a wide range of gas generators for many years. Hydrogen gas generator recovery and purification system, carbon dioxide gas recovery and purification system, argon gas recovery and purification system, helium gas recovery and purification system. Sumitomo Seika PSA product information. Sumitomo Seika strength 3. Rock solid quality and reliability. Technical capabilities to meet stringent quality requirements in Japan. Sumitomo Seika possesses solid engineering capabilities based on our wealth of knowledge and expertise as a general PSA manufacturer and our long track record, and our generators boast industry-leading energy, electric power efficiency. Industry-leading energy efficiency, electric power efficiency. Furthermore, the knowledge we have cultivated in meeting the strict quality standards of Japan has produced quality that has been recognized outside of Japan as well. Stable supply with new mechanical problems. Sumitomo Seika PSA oxygen generators can provide a stable supply of oxygen for many years with few mechanical problems as long as the recommended maintenance is performed. In the rare event of a problem, our technicians are ready to provide courtesy call curious support. Just curious support? That means not deep technical support, superficial support. But they need to change the phrase into knowledgeable support or in-depth support. Number of installations in Japan, cumulative. That's a lot, 120. Sumitomo Seika strengths 4, reliable support, on-site or remote for everything from installation to maintenance. That's strange expression right there. On-site and remote support, I guess. Our PSA oxygen generators are fully automatic and are started and stopped with just the touch of a button. I guess they need to change the phrase into starts and stops with just the touch of a button. Not passive but active form. The status of operation can also be checked via the intuitive touch panel. In addition, we have supervisors dedicated to PSA oxygen generators to provide support for everything from installation to maintenance. These supervisors can provide advice at the work site or, if cameras are installed, can provide remote support. Even first-time users can use our generators easily and with peace of mind. That's good expression. But I found something strange. Provide remote support to customers. Okay, to customers. First-time users can use our generators. Okay, that's good. Here it should starts and stops. Intuitive touch panel. That's okay expression. Product information, basic information, principal contents. Oxygen is separated from air utilizing the difference in absorption quantity on synthetic zeolite between nitrogen and oxygen, patented. Absorption quantity. So both nitrogen and oxygen molecules are absorbed by synthetic zeolite, which is absorbent, but nitrogen is more a lot absorbed than oxygen. So generally, what is left of the air that went through this absorbent is mostly oxygen molecules. Features: on-site oxygen production at lower cost. 2. The purity of oxygen can be increased up to 93%. The composition of oxygen gas with a purity of 93% is as follows: oxygen 93%, argon 4.5%, nitrogen 2.5%, moisture dew point 60 degrees. So dew starts to accumulate at 6 degrees. Low running cost. Since a vacuum absorption system is employed, its power consumption is smaller than that of other systems. Oxygen gas can be obtained immediately after startup. Automatic control system fully works automatically after startup. Compact design. Application. Supply of oxygen for various kinds of furnaces. Electric arc furnaces for steel making, smelting of non-ferrous metals, copper, zinc, aluminum, etc. Non-ferrous. What is non-ferrous? Non-oxidized, I guess. And no carbon? Glass making and various kinds of kilns. Yeah, let's find out the word because I have some minutes to kill. Okay, I studied mechanical engineering in college, so I should know the expression, but I forgot. So non-ferrous does not contain iron, not ferrous. Okay, so it does not contain iron. So that's why iron's chemical name is Fe. Okay, ferron. ferrous, Fe, non-ferrous. In metallurgy, non-ferrous metals are metals or alloys that do not contain iron, allotropes of iron, ferrite, and so on, ferrite, in appreciable amounts. Generally more costly than ferrous metals, non-ferrous metals are used because of desirable properties such as low weight, for example, aluminum, higher conductivity, for example, copper, non-magnetic properties or resistance to corrosion, for example, zinc. Some non-ferrous materials are also used in the iron and steel industries. For example, bauxite is used as a flux for blast furnaces, while others, such as wolframite, pyrolusite, and chromite, are used in making ferrous alloys. Okay, so that's a non-iron product. Glass making and various kinds of coolants. 2. Pulp and paper industry, oxygen aeration and ozone bleaching. That's a good term, ozone bleaching. Bleaching by using ozone, and oxygen aeration. You send oxygen through this material, producing some pores inside the material. Oxygen aeration. Wastewater treatment facilities, oxygen aeration and ozone generation. Chemical industry, various kinds of oxidation reactions. Fermentation industry, pisciculture, others. Maybe fishing industry, you mean? Please let us know your required volume of oxygen, purity, and pressure. Okay, I think this one, pisciculture. Usually PC means fish. I guess P became F along the way. Okay, sometimes F becomes P. Well, in Korea and Japan, we don't have a F sound, while Chinese have F sound like a furen. So let's find out what this is all about. It's a fish agriculture, okay? Fish culturing or pisciculture. There's what you call aquaponics. Yeah, more like aquaponics. I could be wrong, but let's find that out. PC, right? Fish, pertaining to fish. Pisciculture. Aquaponics, I guess. Raising of fish, breeding of fish, fish farming. Pisciculture, okay, PC.
Pisciculture. Pisciculture.
Pisciculture.
Pisciculture.
Pisciculture.
Pisciculture.
Pisciculture.
Pisciculture.
Pisciculture, fish farming or pisciculture or pisciculture. Pisciculture involves commercial breeding of fish, usually for food in fish tanks or artificial enclosures such as fish ponds. It is a particular type of aquaculture, aquaponics, aquaculture, which is the controlled cultivation and harvesting of aquatic animals such as fish, crustaceans, mollusks, the scallops, and so on, in a natural or pseudo-natural environment. So pisciculture or pisciculture. Inquiry, Engineering and System Department, Gas Division. That's Japanese telephone number right there. Sumitomo Seika, copyright, Sumitomo Seika Chemicals Corporation Limited. Sumitomo Seika, you did a good job of posting your company's introduction on the internet with great English. You did a superb job. I really appreciate your company's knowledge and achievement so far, and I give you hands for your doing business in Korea, Japan, Taiwan, maybe Chinese too. Excellent company. I really picked up a lot of knowledge about the oxygen generator, PSA, pressure absorption. What is it? Pressure swing absorption, or VSA, vacuum swing absorption. So great knowledge. Thanks, and happy going for you. Bye bye.